Let's develop our next program. Click on File, highlight New, select Java. The name of the class is F. Double I is equal to 20.0. I'm going to print the same. Save this file. Save as capital F. Double is the data type. I is a variable. 20.0 is the value that we are supplying to the I variable, and I is of type double. Double is one of the primitive data type, and there are 8 primitive data type available in Java programming. When I try to print this I, whatever the value that is stored inside this I, that will be printed. When I'm trying to print this variable I, whatever the value that is stored inside this variable, that will be printed in the console, that is 20.0. Go to the command prompt, go to the command prompt. Now compile this program first for checking syntax. Successfully, f.class has been generated inside classes folder. Now it is time to run this class. We are getting 20.0 as the output. For I variable, we cannot supply anything other than this floating point value. So it is the decimal value. Okay, so it is the decimal value. I cannot supply Boolean value like true. Save it and compile it. What is the result we are getting here? We get the syntax error. Incompatible types. Boolean cannot be converted to double. We have declared this I variable as double. We have declared this I variable as double, and we should supply the value in the form of floating point. So here we should supply the value in the form of floating point, right? So 20.0, this is the decimal value. It is one of the floating form. Okay, floating point value. Whatever the value we are supplying here, 20.0, it is the floating point value, and it is one of the literal. It is one of the literal value. What is a literal? We have seen in the previous video that literal is a constant value that can be assigned to a variable. Here the constant value is 20.0 at this time. Okay, 20.0 is the constant value at this time of program, and we are supplying this literal value to the variable I. Now I will be having 20.0. Whenever I'm trying to print this I, it will be printing 20.0.